Hello, the boat show lovers! Today our journey begins in Podenzano, in the province of Piacenza. But I know what you're thinking, there's no sea there, and you're absolutely right, there's no sea here. But you can still feel the nautical world. You don't believe me? Follow me. I'll take you somewhere few have the privilege to go. Welcome to Absolute Yachts. A name that's synonymous with quality and innovation in the world of yachting. This is a company founded in 2002, specializing in building luxury yachts ranging from 47 to 75 feet. You've undoubtedly heard of them and seen their three main lines, Navetta, Flybridge, and Coupé. Today we'll discover and explore everything they have to offer, and I know exactly where to start and who to start with.
Il nostro obiettivo è, ed è sempre stato, quello di realizzare.
Our goal has always been to create distinctive yachts. In 2014, 10 years ago, we launched our first Navetta 58.
La nostra prima navetta 58. Questa gamma di imbarcazioni, di cui oggi fanno parte ben 6.
This line now includes 6 models, ranging from 48 to 75 feet, and it has enjoyed great success in recent years. We've also redesigned the entire Flybridge line, which now includes 5 models.
Anche questa gamma di imbarcazioni è composta da ben 5 modelli.
Both the Navetta and Fly stand out in today's market for their unique designs, innovative cockpits, and even more so for their below-deck layouts.
I loro pozzetti ed ancor di più negli ambienti sotto coperta.
Here we're witnessing true made-in-Italy craftsmanship. What does that mean? It means that every step of the design, production, and assembly process happens 100% in-house. Il cantiere è suddiviso in 7 reparti produttivi. The shipyard is divided in 7 integrated production departments, where artisanal skills meet cutting-edge technology from the fine woodworking details to hull lamination and fine testing. Every phase is carried out with precision and care.
La nostra filosofia principale è sostanza.
Our core philosophy is substance. Substance in innovation, quality, and sustainability. We proudly promote Italian identity and strive to reflect it in all our new models, with an ethical and sustainable approach to production.
Della produzione.
This facility is home to 300 passionate and highly skilled professionals who make Absolute synonymous with craftsmanship and continuous development.
Vogliamo portare avanti un lavoro artigianale.
We aim to preserve artisanal work, relying on skilled hands that prioritise quality over quantity. A key role is played by our enhanced technological infrastructure, which helps us enhance this type of craftsmanship.
Aiutano a migliorare questo tipo di lavorazione.
In recent years, Absolute Yachts has significantly expanded. What you see behind me is the new building, designed with a sustainable, low environmental impact vision. Il cantiere è imponente. The shipyard is massive, covering 48,000 square meters. This has allowed them to increase production capacity and further innovate their manufacturing processes.
Yes, in these years, Absolute has undergone a period of significant expansion. We've invested in new infrastructures and technologies, increasing our production capacity to meet the growing demand for yachts.
This is the new facility, which stands as a cornerstone of Absolute Yachts' commitment to sustainability. They operate with great attention to their environmental impact.
The expansion has enabled the optimization and production processes and further improvement of the quality of our yachts.
Technologies like geothermal systems, solar panels, and advanced air filtrations and purification systems are just a few examples of Absolute's commitment to the ecosystem.
Sustainable water management is another key aspect, with water recycling systems used in production processes, including the testing tanks.
The
entire production site is covered with solar panels, powering a 1.7 megawatt photovoltaic system, which provides about 50% of their energy needs.
Circa il 50% del nostro fabbisogno.
Made in Italy al 100%. Cosa vuol dire? Vuol dire che ogni 100% made in Italy. What does it mean? It means that every step from design to production is done in-house. What you see here is the assembly phase, carried out by a qualified team dedicated to the sector. But this is just one step. Next, we'll also take a look at where the painting process happens.
Allora, noi costruiamo barche con scafo.
We build boats with highly complex hulls, decks and superstructures. This translates into intricate molds that, as you can imagine, are much harder to paint. To achieve a brush-like finish, we use low-pressure pumps that apply gel coat in a rain-like spray.
Con caduta di gel cotta a pioggia.
Quel tocco di italianità, that unmistakable Italian touch is evident not only in the choice of the paint, but also in the people behind the painting process. Here there are no machines, just people, a team of highly skilled professionals who truly make the difference.
Sono sempre andato in barca, nonostante io non sia un grande navigatore, poiché specialmente in estate.
I've always loved boating, even though I'm not much of a sailor. Especially in the summer, I don't have as much free time as I'd like. Currently, I own a Navetta 64, and I'm incredibly happy with it.
Uno dei nostri motti qui in Absolute è non fermarsi mai.
One of our mottos here is Absolute is never stop. For the future, we're considering building models that exceed 80 feet.
Absolute Yachts is a shining example of excellence in luxury yacht construction, proudly made in Italy. Here, innovation and sustainability go hand in hand. I'll see you next time, always here, always on The Boat Show.